In 2018, candy lovers across Europe faced a surprising shortage. Haribo's beloved Goldbears disappeared from store shelves, leaving fans puzzled. What was the cause of this unexpected event? It turned out that there was no shortage of ingredients, no factory strikes, and no transportation issues. The culprit was a failed SAP ERP rollout. Haribo initiated an ERP project with the aim of modernizing its logistics, inventory, and financial processes. The goal was to consolidate operations, eliminate inefficiencies, and future-proof the business. However, instead of improvements, the new ERP system led to breakdowns in warehouse management and order fulfillment almost immediately after launch. Experts noted that ERP success is not solely dependent on software quality. It also hinges on the right people, effective processes, and careful planning. Unfortunately for Haribo, all these elements were misaligned during the implementation phase. One of the biggest issues was inadequate change management. Employees were not sufficiently trained and found themselves unprepared for the transition. With minimal support available, they struggled to use the new system, resulting in numerous operational errors. Another major factor was poor data migration. Critical data related to products, suppliers, and inventory was either incomplete or incorrectly migrated. This disruption impacted stock tracking, fulfillment logic, and replenishment flows, creating chaos in the supply chain. Haribo also missed the mark by not conducting thorough operational testing. The company reportedly failed to simulate its full-scale operations under the new ERP system prior to going live. When the pressure of real-world conditions hit, the system faltered. Moreover, there was a lack of alignment between the SAP software and Haribo's unique logistics model. The out-of-the-box configuration did not cater to the specific requirements of Haribo's warehouse and fulfillment operations, resulting in further complications. The aftermath of these issues was a supply chain in total disarray. Retailers struggled to restock shelves on time, distribution centers became overwhelmed with backlogs, and inventory visibility was severely compromised. As a result, customers were turned away from empty aisles, and Haribo found itself facing intense public scrutiny across various media outlets. What started as a back-end problem escalated into a crisis affecting the brand and customer experience. This case serves as a crucial lesson for ERP leaders everywhere. Simulating real-world scenarios is essential. Small-scale pilots are not sufficient to uncover operational bottlenecks. Training employees thoroughly is equally important. User adoption is key to ERP success, and teams need to be well equipped with hands-on training and continuous support before the go-live date. Additionally, it is critical to adapt the ERP system to fit existing operations instead of forcing workflows into generic models. Tailoring the system or realigning processes early in the project is necessary to ensure compatibility. Lastly, taking the necessary time to execute the implementation properly is crucial. ERP projects are business transformations requiring careful consideration, and rushing can significantly increase the risk of failure at scale. Haribo's story continues to resonate today, illustrating that ERP rollouts impact not just systems but also product availability, customer trust, and revenue flow. Planning gaps, weak governance, and insufficient testing can lead to catastrophic outcomes, as shown in this vivid reminder of the importance of a successful ERP implementation.